Hello everyone, welcome to ITCS Master. I hope you are all doing well. So today we are going to see part 12 of Excel series. Okay, we have already completed 11th part. If you have not seen yet, please visit. And in previous video we have seen if condition. Okay, basic if condition only. In next video we will learn advanced if condition. But before that, today we are going to see some important formula, that is len, count blank, left, right. So let's start. We have already completed this, so I am deleting. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and share. This channel is made especially for IT computer related topics like Excel, Word, PowerPoint and other database programming, etc. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this, just post your comment. Okay, so and one more thing, if you need a working sheet, okay, just post your comments, so I will upload this in Telegram channel. Okay, so let's begin. Today we have already learned what is count. Okay, count. So today we are going to see count and count blank. Before proceeding, first we will see count. What is count? Count used for counting the numbers of values. Okay, count the number of values. Only only string type value, sorry, only numerical type value. Okay, numerical type value means 1 2 3 4, this type. If we want to count, if we want to count string value, then we will use counter. So let's begin with one example. First we will see count. Okay, so I'm using count. Here you can see count and I've selected rand. Okay, here you can see number total value is 4. Okay, here you can see number of values 4. And similarly, if I use counter, okay, here is 4. Now there is no difference. Okay, counter is using for numerical and string value. Okay, the both values, you can see both values, either numerical, either string. Okay, if if you want to if you want to use only if you want to count only string value, then we will use counter. We can't use count. Let's begin with the example. So here I'm taking count. Okay, I'm taking count and selecting the string value. Okay, and enter. Here you can see answer is 0. Okay, here you can see result is 0, because count count used for only numerical value. Okay, but similarly if we use counter, counta, okay, here I, okay, okay, counter, and then I've selected value and enter. Here you can see result is 3. We have 3 string, 1 2 and 3. I hope it is clear difference between count and counter. If you are giving any interview, if you are going to for any interview, then it's most important for interview regarding. Okay, uh, interviewer can ask what is difference between count and counter. So I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, just post your comment. Similarly, now we will see count blank. Suppose we have a 1 lakh say 1000 data, and we want to see how many rows are blanks. Okay, how many rows are blanks, empty. Then we will use count blank formula. So let's begin. Here count blank. Okay, and now I'm selecting range. So here I have selected, and here is a one number row is blank, so our result will be 1. So here you can see result is 1. I hope it is clear now. If you have any doubt, just post your comment. Okay. So next we will see length. What is length? Length used for number of word, okay, number of value. Okay, suppose I have a one string and I want length of this string. Okay, so let's begin with the example. Len, here you can see definition. Length used for return the number of character in a text string. Okay, then what is length? Return the number of character in text string. So length, okay, length and select string. Here I have selected keyboard and enter. Here you can see. So here is answer is 8. 8. Okay, so let's cross verify. A 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So number of character string is 8. So answer is 8. I hope it is clear what is length. Okay, similarly you can merge multiple string. uh, Suppose you want sum of if you want to sum multiple string length. Okay, length of multiple string, then we will use length. So suppose we want to sum of multiple values या multiple string, then we will use sum. Suppose then len of first keyword, then again comma, and I want to merge, then len second, suppose is desktop. Okay, and then we will enter. Here you can see length, total length is 15. So here we have merged length. Okay, here we have merged length. Here we have some added length of multiple string. Okay, here you can see, you can cross verify. Here is 8 and here is 7. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 7. So 8 and 7 is 15. I hope it is clear. Okay, if you need this working sheet, so just post your comment. I will upload this on our telegram channel. Telegram channel is mentioned in description box. Okay, now next is left right. Now what is left right? So left right is most important formula. If you are working in any office, office project, then it, okay, so it is very popular formula. Suppose we need some character from left and some right, then we will use left and right formula. So let's begin. How will I use? Okay. Suppose equal, I select left. Here you can see left. Return the specified number of character. Okay. Return the number of character from the start of a string. Okay. Start left side. Okay. Left side and left, and here you can see text is value, then number, how many value you need. Okay, suppose 3 and enter. Here you can see I need 3 value from left side. So here you can see key AEY 1 2 3, 3 values from left side. Similarly we can use right from right side value. So I am writing here right. Okay, okay, right, and then string, and now I need 2 value from right side. Only I need 2 value from right side, then I have entered. Here you can see RD, only 2 value from right side, R and D. I hope it is clear. One more example which we use regular. Suppose I have one email ID. Suppose first read 2019 at the rate gmail.com. Suppose we have a this type data. Suppose we have 1000 and lakhs data, and we need only names of the Gmail and domain in other column. Then we will use right and left value. How will you use? Okay, let's see. Suppose right, so left. Okay, first we can suppose we can cut from right side. Here you can see its value fixed. Here you can see if we see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 value from right side. Okay, right, and string, and 10 from right side. So here you can see domain. Okay, here you can see. I hope it is clear. Similarly, if you need name, then first you find length of this. We will see in advanced video. We will learn in advance. Okay, how will we how I will get first name before at the rate name. Okay, so we will use for length. First we will count length, then we will find left and right value. So we will see these in advanced video. First we are going to basic to advanced. So if okay, now we will see in next video if health condition, advanced if health condition, sorry, if condition only. If you have any doubt, just post your comment, and if you new this channel, please subscribe and share. Thank you. Dhanyawad.